Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to upload content to Twitch. If you want to upload content to Twitch, you need to follow these steps. Now, to upload a pre-recorded video to Twitch, you must have affiliated or partner status. Once your account qualifies, you can upload video through your creator dashboard. So basically, to become affiliated, you must meet the following requirement. That is, you need to gain at least 50 followers, broadcast minute, at least 500 total minutes streamed, and at least 7 unique broadcast days, and an average 3 or more concurrent viewers as well. Likewise, if you already meet the criteria and if you have these options, you need to click on the profile initials at the bottom right corner of your screen, then click on the video section. Alright, then you need to go ahead and from the drop down list you want to select video producers. Now in my case, I do not have these options as I don't have the following requirement. So you just need to go to the creator dashboard and then you want to go ahead and click on the following option as I mentioned, that is video, and then go to the drop down menu, click on video producer. After which, on the video producer page, you want to click purple upload button. You could also drag or simply drag and drop the file from your computer into a video or select it from your gallery itself as well. And a file browse window will appear. Navigate to a section and the video that you want to upload. You just need to wait for the upload to finish, then you could edit your details and then publish the video as well. And after you've finished editing the information, you could click the purple publish button to make a video live on your channel. So this is how you'll be able to upload content to Twitch. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.